Integration is very important part for the 12th standard CBSE mathematics students. So I am explaining here the which kinds of the problem related to indefinite integrals may be asked, or such kind problems may be asked in the forthcoming board examination. So the technique to solve the indefinite integration are generally substitution and by partial fraction and by integration by parts. So these three techniques are very important. So we will consider here which kind of problem may be asked related to these three techniques. First of them is the integration by substitution. So you are watching here the some problems just like this: integration of sin inverse x upon root of 1 minus x squared dx. This is solved by substitution using the sin inverse x equals to t and its derivative 1 upon root of 1 minus x square given here. Similarly, the next problem is 1 plus log x whole square upon x, and it can be solved using the substitution of 1 plus log x equals to t. Its derivative is given 1 upon x, and afterward you can apply the fundamental formulas to solve this. Next problem related to this, firstly we have to consider tan x equals to t, so it will convert in this form dx upon root of x square minus a square. Its fundamental formula is logarithms of modulus x plus root of x square plus a square. And next problem is related to in which the denominator, firstly we have to make whole square, and after making whole square this problem will appear in this form: integration of dx upon x square plus a square. Its basic formula is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Okay, x upon a. Afterward, next problem, integration of x upon this. This problem related to the partial fraction, and according to the formula of partial fraction, they are separated, and then we can apply for the linear denominator this logarithm formula, and for square you can use the substitution or other methods. And the last problem is related to substitution and integration by parts. First of all, you have to consider cos inverse x equals to t, and its derivative is given 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Afterward, it will convert, it will appear in form of product of two functions. They are solved by integration by parts. So, I think these problems are very important because these or such kind of these problems may be asked in the board examination. So students of 12th mathematics subject can take advantage if they watch this video. Okay, thank you for watching.